Hello, welcome. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can do your deep learning heart this website programming. How you can program your website. That's what I want to teach you today. How you can start teaching people, how you can start building your own website. So we are starting with deep learning at website programming. So next thing I'm gonna do today is what is programming language. Many people do ask this, and I'm gonna explain this to you tonight. So programming are language that are what? Understandable, conversable, and interpretable by the computer. Yeah, that's what it means. Programming language are understandable by your computers. They are what your computer can interpret. So I'm gonna be talking about these what we call the programming language we have, and they are so much. But I'm gonna list some little for you in order for you to carry your research on more languages you have. So the first one I'm gonna talk about is the HTML. This HTML is an hypertext language, markup language. So this hypertext markup language gonna be teaching you about how I'm gonna be teaching you about this, how you can use it in your website building, how you can build with this. They are languages your computer understand, as I've said earlier. So we have the CSS, which you use in styling your HTML, and this is the coding style sheet. We have the JS, the JavaScript, the PHP, the preprocessor for your HTML. We have the MySQL database. We have the Python. We have C++, the Java, the Swift, and more. I want you to get me more. How to get started with what programming language is used for website development. As in, how can we get started with using these languages for this website development? So that will bring me to there are two parts of website building. Yeah, you must know this: the front end and the back end of the parts of the website. So you know the front end and the back end gonna make you a professional. Yeah. So the front end is about what you can communicate with. So I'm gonna give you the meaning of this. Yeah, for easier. So the front end is of a website is called the attractive, the interactive, and the user-friendly of part of a website. Yeah, that's what it's called. So the user-friendly part of your website, the attractive part of the website is what we call the front end of your website. So you should know about this, and I want you to go on my research on how to use this, on how to know about this. So on what this front end really talks about. So sorry for that. I'm gonna be talking about the backends. It refers to the admin part of the website, the control part of a website. That is, due to you updating your website, you need this backend. This backend, what we use in creating this, we have the PHP and the MySQL, the database. The database, that's where you see your clients, what we call it, login forms, and all what they are doing on the website, the history of your client. That's where you're going to be seeing it. So this backend I'm gonna teach you this backend in order for you to get this part done. So I'm starting with HTML in our next class, but before then, let us check this. So what we're gonna be talking about more is lastly for the day, and how to create what editor are you going to use. We have the Sublime Text, the VS Code, which is the Visual Studio Code. We have the brackets, we have the Artem, we have CodePen, and more. But kindly please go to the inbox and give me some of these editors that you know. There are more than these. We have the online editors, the free editors that you can use offline. These are the one I've listed, except from CodePen, just the one you use offline. So let's get going now. So in my next video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to set your folder, how you can get your work started, how you can get this work started, how you can manage your website, how you can start building your website, and basic things you have to know. So kindly subscribe this video to get more.